Companies hire candidates based on their proficiency in hard skills and reject them because of their incompetence in applying soft skills. And both of these abilities are highly valued by employers. According to LinkedIn's Global Talent Trends research, 92% of talent acquisition professionals believe soft skills are just as essential as hard skills when it comes to recruiting new candidates. This fact itself speaks volumes about the significance of both these skills in the workplace. So today, in this video, we will go on a quest to unleash the intricacies of both hard skills and soft skills. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Simplilearn, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Let's start with what are hard skills. Hard skills are nothing but the technical expertise that you gain through college education, online course, or job training. These skills are completely job specific. For example, if you want to become a business manager, you must have a good command over managerial skills, international legislation, and business growth strategies. Similarly, if your interests align with the field of software or web development, then you must have command over skills such as back-end and front-end development, DBMS, data structure, and any programming language framework. Hard skills are the skill sets that are examined with the help of technical assessments during the recruitment processes. These skills are viewed as bread and butter for the job roles that companies hire for. Hence, candidates must possess these skills in order to get hired. Next, we will look into what are soft skills. Soft skills refer to various personality traits such as attitude, communication, critical thinking, time management, creative abilities, etc. Soft skills help in capitalizing on your potential and help you stand out. Without appropriate soft skills, you cannot put your hard skills to use in collaborative working environments. Soft skills are crucial for you to navigate in the working environment to form peer-to-peer camaraderie. Maybe that is why companies spend lots of money training employers for work ethics and personality development. According to LinkedIn's research, 89% of talent acquisition managers believe that when a new hire doesn't work out, it's because they lack critical soft skills. Moreover, this survey also highlights that 57% of employers value soft skills over hard skills when it comes to hiring new candidates. Some examples of soft skills are communication, empathy, adaptability, critical thinking, teamwork, and responsibility. You can hone these skills via self-learning and practice. Here's a video to help you figure out how you can ace these valuable skills. Moving ahead, we will discover how we can accentuate hard skills and soft skills. First, we will look at the ways to highlight hard skills. Your resume is the most appropriate place to exhibit your technical expertise. Hence, we suggest you to go through the job descriptions before formatting your resume. Compare your skill set to the skills needed for the job and add the skills that are there to both lists. For example, if you are aspiring to become a software developer, then highlighting command over programming languages like Java, Python, or C++ along with proper certifications will give you instant credibility. You can also add details of your internship certifications and projects to your resume. Recruiters prefer students who have internship experiences as they seem more thorough with practical knowledge. During the interviews, you can highlight the projects and real-life incidents where you solve the problems on your own. Use more quantitative examples rather than vague examples to show your skills effectively. Now let's understand the ways to highlight soft skills. Soft skills are personality traits that are evaluated in interview rounds. The first move you can make to showcase them is to greet interviewers firmly. If it's a virtual interview, then there are limitations to communicate with body language. In this case, keep the camera at eye level to maintain virtual eye contact as you converse. Doing this will help you build a good first impression. Also emphasize the soft skills required for the job description. If the job requires you to work a night shift, put flexibility as a skill in the resume. Or if the interview is for client support, then focus more on your communication skills. The best way to prepare for soft skills questions is to appear for mock interviews. You can do so with the help of tools such as Mock AI by AMCAT. Doing this will help you boost your confidence and help you prepare your strategy to ace interview rounds. That's all we have for today. I hope this video is helpful to all of you out there, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.